Ryan Little.
Everyone, it's Aliana and I am back here with another video. So in today's video I will be sharing one of my new favorite protective styles, and if you're like me, I have not been wanting to do my hair. I've just been wanting to, you know, slick it back and keep it away and keep it protected. I decided to invest, well not invest, but I decided to buy a ponytail, and this is the ponytail that I got. It is so cute, and a wrap pony, so it has a comb right here and then two combs on the side, and then you wrap this around so it covers the track. And this is in the style Bohemian Curls, and it's 18 inches, and this is by the brand Outre. It's in the color 1B, and they had other colors as well, but I really love this ponytail. I wore it yesterday to like try it out, and it was pretty snug, it was lightweight, it was easy to install. It's cute for one. Like, what? Put the link down below where I got this from. I actually forgot. It was like an online beauty supply store. It was less than a week that I got this, and I thought I was gonna have to wait like 2 weeks. I got inspired to get a ponytail from these two beautiful ladies that I met in South Africa, Cami and Eleni. They were always rocking ponytails and it looks so cute. So I also got a straight one, and this is the same style, a wrap pony, and I feel like it looks so cute. Like if my hair's blown out and I just want to be like super extra. And this is 24 inches. It's in the style Dreamwave, and I feel like it looks so cute. I just feel like it looks so cute. And this is from the brand Organique. I don't know, but it's an easy wrap pony like the curly one that I got, and I'm really excited to wear that. I feel like it's just gonna look so bomb and cute. And I feel like I have like pretty long hair, but like I want more length, so that's why I got like the 24 inches and then the 18 inch. But I'm not like an avid like weave or fake hair person, so I didn't really know the lengths of things, so I had to like actually look at a chart. But I'm so excited, so let's get right into this tutorial. So I actually wore that ponytail yesterday, so that's why my hair is like slicked back, and I just like wore a scarf, but my scarf actually did come off, so I'm just gonna like refresh. So I just have some water, and I'm going to be using Eco Style Gel, which is a go-to. I actually like Wetline Extreme Gel better than Eco Styler, but Target, when I got this, did not have the Wetline Extreme Gel. And then I am going to be using one of my favorite edge controls. I also got this in the package with my hair, and this is the Mielle Honey and Ginger Flexible Hold Edge Control, and this literally is the best edge control I've ever used in my whole entire life when I started doing my edges. Like, I'm not even kidding. And it smells like a lemony ginger tea or like ginger ale. Like, it smells so bomb. I like wet my hair, and I'm gonna grab like this much because I don't want my hair to like flake. So I'm just going to, and make sure to get the back of your head, because I know some people look that over, but I feel like it's important to get the back of your head when you're like doing a bun or a slick pony. I'm using this ponytail holder, and these are the best ponytail holders. They're great for thick and curly hair, and you could get them at the Dollar Tree. And then I'm using this brush just to slick down my hair.
Ryan Little.
So this is how my ponytail looks. It's very puffy. I'm going to be doing my edges with the Mielle Honey and Ginger Edge Control, and my edge toothbrush. Take a little bit of the edge control, like this much, and rub it in my hands and put it like throughout so it can get the flyaways. So now we're gonna take the ponytail, I know, but I just want to make sure it's like super smooth. So as you can see, I got it like slick smooth. The next thing that I'm going to do is add some castor oil to my hair, and this is to add shine. I don't know, it's like already pretty shiny, but I'm kind of extra, I don't know. And castor oil is healthy for your hair, so. So for the sides, I like to add the curls, so it just, I feel like it adds to the look and it's like dainty. So I'm going to take more Eco Styler gel. Well, first I'm going to wet the piece and then add like a tiny bit of Eco Styler gel and just finger coil it. Like you see, it's just so dainty. I feel like it's so cute. I've been doing this for years. It's just so cute. Yeah, it's just so cute. And you could even add some to the back. So I'm going to set my hair with my scarf. And this is what I usually do for my slick ponies anyways. Okay, so while this is setting, we're going to like fold this piece of our hair. And we are going to twist. Twist this part as tightly as you can. And I already have leave-in conditioner, so my hair is moisturized. So I twisted my hair, and then you're gonna get another hair tie. And you're just going to wrap the twist into a little bun, like a ballerina bun, and it should look something like this. So we're done setting our edges. It looks very sleek. You see waves. Okay, anyways, I have a curl refresher from the brand Curls. It's like their pomegranate one. I'll like insert a picture, but I sprayed this on the hair yesterday, so like just in case if there was like frizzy pieces, but it was like pretty good and there's not that much shedding. It has clips like I said earlier, so you put the top one at like the base of your bun, like the top of it, and then you put the side ones on the side, and then you just wrap this around. So let's see. Bobby pin, and then you just secure it. So this is the finished look, and I feel like it looks fairly natural compared to like my natural curl pattern. It is kind of shiny, but like if you do the extra steps of like putting edge control and gel and then adding the castor oil or shine mist. I feel like it looks pretty natural. And here's how it looks from the side. I feel like it looks fairly cute. And like you could move it like a real ponytail, like cute. This is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it showed how quick and easy and cute this style is. I absolutely love this. The ponytail is thick, it's full of body and bounce, and I could literally move it like it's my own, which is so cute. And I feel like it blends in naturally. Like, this is my natural hair color. It is kind of darker than it, but I feel like it blends. Thank you so much for watching. I will put the details down below on this hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my other social media, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.